Alright, I'm happy about this package that just came in the mail, and it came from the Cubicle.us. So, in here it's contained a Yuxin 505, Shengshao Square 1, QJ Candy 3x3, Weisu Soft Spring, and a bunch of stickers. So, let me get this open up. I'm getting out my scissors for easier access other than the knife. We're sort of trying to cut through the plastic bag that hold all the stickers. Here's all the stickers, and some of these stickers are for some of my mods that I'm working on. Here's the receipt that contains all of the information about what I ordered. Business card, Weisu Soft Springs. Here is the candy, YJ Candy 3x3. I'm not YJ, but QJ Candy 3x3. I haven't seen much about this 3x3, but from what I've seen of it, it's like a clone of the Oolong, but cheaper version. And here's a quick standard thing about how to solve the 3x3. Now here's the 3x3 itself. Already had some black dust on the pink side, so first turns of it. Surprisingly really good for what it is. Let me just check out the mechanism of it. Yeah, it's definitely Oolong clone. Yeah, and the pieces don't even stay together that well. Yeah, it's just like a cheaper version of the Oolong. Cheaper plastic and stuff like that. Comparing it to the original Oolong, not the original version, but the Oolong version 2, you can see that there's some differences. Yeah. But it's still an Oolong clone. But anyways, this is decent 3x3. Next, I would get out the Yuxin 5.5. I've been wanting a new 5.5 for quite a long time, since this old one was my old main, and I'm just wanting to get a new better one. I've heard some good things about this, and some decent okay things about it. The box of it is mint. Alright. Yeah. And first turns of this is wow. Really good. I think once I get it all tensioned and lubricated and stuff like that, it would be a really good cube. And as I'm feeling this, the center feel much smaller than the outer pieces. And I bought it in a stickerless because, you know, stickerless is now legal to use in competition and stuff like that. And I just want to have a newer stickerless 5.5, because this stickerless 5.5 I've had for a few years now, and it's the Dancing one, and it's just not that good of a 5.5. And then finally, here is my Shengshao Square 1. I ordered a new Square 1 because my old one is falling apart, not only falling apart, but it's worn out, to the point where it pops a lot. Like, my old one, which this one, which, yeah, it pops a lot. Yeah. And, yeah. Okay, so, this is what I thought. So right here is a solution booklet, which can be useful for people who are just starting out, learning how to solve square one, or for those who want to have a guide to have in their pocket to practice and learn on the go. Yeah. Now for the actual square one. It's really lubey on the outside. Let me wipe it off. Alright, I've gotten it all wiped off and stuff like that. First turns of the U layer, D layer, it's meh. Not that great, but with some tensioning and lubing and stuff like that, it can be a bit better. Yeah. But out of the box, it's meh. Not as fast and smooth as my older square one, but still, hey. And I don't know why they have it where the yellow is on top and the white is on bottom, but luckily I can take off the cap and switch them around and stuff like that. So let me show you off some of the stickers I have. I have let me grab all these stickers. I have Megaminx stickers for my Yoo-Hoo Megaminx, YJ Megaminx. Square One sticker to replace my Shengshou Square One stickers when they come time. Yuxin 3x3 stickers. Fisher Cube sticker. And this is for one of my mods that I'm currently working on. Fengxi cut stickers for my Kai, or well, Chi Thunderclap. Some regular cut stickers for my 3x3x4 Axis Cube sticker for an upcoming mod that I have. I have Weisu cut stickers for my Yusu 4x4, YJ 4x4. 6x6 flooring cut stickers. Yeah, Moyu 6x6 stickers, 7x7 stickers for my YJ 7x7 that I unboxed a while ago. And then some uncut sticker sheet for some of my upcoming mods. And then I have these Pyraminx stickers for my Moyu. Moyu Pyraminx. Yeah, Moyu Pyraminx. So, that's my unboxing of this cubicle order.